Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a VPN app to get a fast and secure internet connection while you're online. This app is available on the Google Play Store. Before we get started, I'd like to welcome all viewers and subscribers to the channel. If you're new here, you're very welcome. To begin, open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type Maya Tun Pro. From the search results, select the correct app by checking the app name and icon, then install it on your phone. After the installation is complete, open the app to start the setup. If you're new to the channel, take a moment to like the video, share it and subscribe so you don't miss future content. When the app opens, you'll need to configure a few settings. First, tap the Update Resources button so the app can update its files. Make sure you have an active internet connection while this process completes. Next, choose a server. For best results, select the Auto Select Server option. This allows the app to automatically choose the best working server based on your location. If you prefer, you can also manually select a server from the list. After that, select a connection method. For this guide, I recommend choosing All Countries UDP. UDP is fast, stable, and works in most countries that support it. If UDP does not work in your country, you can tap the option below and manually select your country. Now, add connection time by tapping the Add Time button. This is important because the app will stop working once the time runs out, so make sure you add time before connecting. Finally, tap the Start button to connect. Once connected, your internet connection will be secured. That's how you can set up Maya Tun Pro to enjoy a fast and secure connection while browsing online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.